can make free large planters for plants in your garden from old swimming pool filters. The plastic ones are the ones. If you look, you can find them on the side of the road. Just drill a hole, and then using a jigsaw, you can use a jigsaw to cut the top off. Just make a line, or find a line on the sand filter. Just use a jigsaw here. Put it on the side, mark a line, and from the drilled hole, just run it around. Just take your time, get the line straight. On this one I was lucky enough to have a seam, I worked on that. So now you've got two bowls. Just using a pocket knife, the edge of a pocket knife, you can scrape all the sharp arises off. Just drag it around the inside and the outside, clean it up. Then on the bottom there, to make the stand, I just marked a line using a block of wood. Wrapping it around and using the jigsaw again. Just cut the base down, which was already broken. Put your tools away when you're finished. Using them, keep the job site tidy. You don't fall over things. So then, having cut that off, just put a big bead of silicone around it and screwed it down. And then using a 18mm spade bit, I drilled a series of holes in the bottom for drainage. Then I cut a piece of gutter guard to cover, to screen the top of that. Put in some expanded clay or some rocks or something to add a drainage layer. Now, because I'm growing succulents, you can just grow them almost in gravel. So I just put some gravel, 5mm gravel in the bottom, and checking the height on this agave, and then just plant it. And when it's finished, you have a plant. Now with these are succulents, you don't need much water. These again, it's planted in a swimming pool filter. So these agaves and cactuses, more succulents in these swimming pool filters, which you can get for free. Thank you. Have a good day.